Cloudy, damp conditions greeted the runners at the 35th annual ACC Women's Cross Country Championship being held at the Smithfield Plantation on the campus of Virginia Tech. The Florida State Seminoles entered the day as four-time defending champion of this event and ranked #1 in the nation.
War has been us here! Together, let's go! Defend!
The day started with the Virginia Tech Corps Cadets cannon firing on all cylinders, as well as the top-ranked Seminoles. The Noles jumped out from the opening gun and led the pack into the first kilometer of the race. At the 2-kilometer mark, the lead group featured 3 Seminoles: senior Viola Legatt, senior Kaylee Tyerman, and sophomore Colleen Quigley, as they ran stride for stride in a tightly grouped pack. As the race progressed, Legatt, the senior from Kenya, started to make her move, and as the runners hit the 4-kilometer mark, Legatt began to pull away. With the final turn just ahead and no competitors in sight, Legatt started to realize her dream of winning her first ACC individual championship with a course record time of 20 minutes.
I came into the race thinking that we've come here 5 consecutive times, and for the last 2 years we haven't heard an individual champion from FSU, and so I just wanted to do that because this is my last season competing for FSU, and so I felt like this was my time for me to just come here and work with my teammates and get that W.
The team title would also go to the Seminoles as they placed 5 runners in the top 14 and finished with a total of 35 points. The Blue Devils of Duke finished second, with the Boston College Eagles finishing third. The victory marked the 5th in a row for Florida State, as they seem to step up every year when the pressure is on.
There's pressure every year. It's a championship, you know, and the girls they value this championship. Our university values this championship, and, you know, we've got a lot of people here watching and supporting. So, yeah, our motto is to defend, and that's not an easy task at the ACC.